مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Amran Hamza Alawiye. Today I have 20 adverbs of time for you, known as ظروف الزمان in Arabic. Number 1, أمسي, yesterday. كان عندي فراغ أمسي. I had free time yesterday. كان, that is verb to be. Was, in this case, had. عندي, I have. It means also with me. فراغ, free time. That means space. أمسي, yesterday. كان عندي فراغ أمس. Number 2, اليوم, today. أنا مشغول جدا اليوم. I am very busy today. أنا, I or I am. مشغول, busy. That means occupied. جدا, very. اليوم, today. أنا مشغول جدا اليوم. Number 3, غدا, tomorrow. سأراك غدا. I'll see you tomorrow. Sa, that is for future tense. Araka, ara is the verb to see. Ka, you, speaking to a man. To a woman, I say araki, I see you. غدا, tomorrow. Number 4, الآن, now. أنا في المكتب الآن. I am in the office at the moment. أنا, I am. في, in, can mean at as well. المكتب, in the office. الآن, now. أنا في المكتب الآن. Number 5, حاليا, currently, also means at the moment. أنا حاليا في اجتماع. I am currently in a meeting. أنا, I am. حاليا, at the moment. في, in or at. اجتماع, a meeting. أنا حاليا في اجتماع. Number 6, لاحقا, later. سأتصل بك لاحقا. I'll get in touch with you later. sa, for future tense. أتصل, I'll contact. بك, with you, to a man. بك, to a woman. لاحقا, later. سأتصل بك أو بك لاحقا. Number 7, قريبا, soon. سأكلمك قريبا. I'll speak with you soon. Sa for future tense. أكلم, I speak. Ka to a man, with you or to you. To a woman, سأكلمك قريبا, soon. Number 8. قبل, before. سأتصل بك قبل الجمعة. I'll get in touch with you before Friday. Sa, that's for future tense. أتصل, الcontact. بك, you, as meant for a man. سأتصل بك. To a woman, سأتصل بك. قبل, before. الجمعة, Friday. Number 9. أبدا, never or ever. لا تيأس أبدا. لا تيأس أبدا. Never give up. Never lose hope. لا تيأس أبدا. لا, that is negative imperative. La of prohibition. تيأس, that's to lose hope, to give up. أبدا, ever, never. لا تيأس أبدا. Number 10. عادة, usually. أنت عادة شخص متفائل. You are usually an optimistic person. أنت, you are. To the woman, أنت, you are. عادة, usually, normally. شخص, that's mean person. متفائل, optimistic. أنت أو أنت عادة شخص متفائل. Number 11. أحيانا, sometimes. كلنا نخطئ أحيانا. We all make mistakes sometimes. كلنا, كل means all. Na, us, كلنا. نخطئ, we make mistake. أحيانا, sometimes. We all make mistakes sometimes. كلنا نخطئ أحيانا. Number 12. نادرا ما, rarely. نادرا ما أشرب القهوة. I rarely drink coffee. نادرا ما, that's mean rarely. أشرب, I drink. القهوة, coffee. Number 13. يوميا, يوميا, daily. أمارس الرياضة يوميا. I exercise, physical exercise daily. أمارس, that's meant to practice something. الرياضة physical exercise يوميا on daily basis. Good boy. Number 14 أسبوعيا weekly. أسبوعيا. التسوق أسبوعيا. I shop weekly. التسوق, that's to do shopping, buy things. أسبوعيا weekly. Number 15 شهريا monthly. أفضل دفع الإيجار شهريا. I prefer paying the rent monthly. أفضل, that is verb to prefer. دفع paying, الإيجار rent, شهريا monthly. Number 16 سنويا annually. أزور مصر سنويا. I visit Egypt annually. أزور, that's a verb to visit. مصر, of course, Egypt. سنويا annually. أزور مصر سنويا. Number 17 فورا immediately. تعال هنا فورا. Come here quickly. Immediately. تعال هنا فورا. Come here immediately. تعال come, that's a command to a man. To a woman you say تعالي. تعالي. هنا, here. فورا, immediately. And number 18 فجأة suddenly. تعطلت سيارتي فجأة. My car suddenly broke down. Oh dear. تعطلت, that is to break down or to be out of action. سيارتي, my car. فجأة suddenly. Number 19 باكرا early. أنام باكرا. I go to bed early. I sleep early. أنام باكرا. And finally, number 20 متأخرا late. أعود من العمل متأخرا. I come home late from work. أعود, the verb to return, to come back. من العمل, from work. من is from. العمل, work. متأخرا, and a woman will say متأخرة, late. أعود من العمل متأخرا. Here we are, 20 adverbs of time for you in Arabic, with some short sentences and a little bit of analysis of individual vocabulary. Here we are. Well done. Thank you for following the series. Please subscribe before you go if you haven't done so. And please don't forget to make donation to my charity. There's a link below. Helping Hands for Education.org. Thank you so much for some of you who have done so. We are desperate for your need. Please help us. Thank you so much. Jazakumullahu khairan. Ahsanallahu ilaykum. Shakarallahu lakum. مع السلامة إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.